and...
No, I got a new one.
Oh, I'm gonna tell...
Voices.
Alright guys, this is a sniping video.
Sorry Kevin, you're not eligible for the sniping.
Not sniping, well, our Sniper-Palooza.
Yeah, I don't think Kevin's eligible.
Why not? No, he's eligible.
No, he's not eligible.
Oh god.
I don't think he's eligible.
See what happens when you get too stressed out over sniping.
Yeah, I don't think he's eligible.
I'm eligible, stop it!
Because you made fun of my weight.
Alright, so, what are you gonna play? Search and Destroy? No, not Search and Destroy. Well, maybe.
Demolition.
Hardpoint, brother, from
Demolition?
No, Hardpoint.
Demolition or Hardpoint?
Hardpoint.
Moises.
Hey, kid.
Hardpoint or Demolition?
Hardpoint.
Yay!
Huh.
Kevin lagged
Well, what do you
out and
know?
rage
What do you
quit
know?
on life.
Sorry, people. But here we go. So my classes it up.
Okay, so I'm top. Young JC.
No, I'm on the bottom. You're on the top.
Exactly, young JC's in the bottom. Alright, Moises, Ballista or DSR?
I'm using the Ballista.
DSR?
I'm using the DSR.
Mr. Tryhard.
DSR or Ballista, young brother?
DSR, kid.
Alright then, I'm about to wreck these.
Oh my god. I don't know why these videos take forever.
What do they call it, a baby?
Yeah, a baby.
A baby. And it's alright.
Cause you're a baby.
And I'm so
Yeah, I'm second.
I'm fourth. Oh. Change filter. Monthly.
I'm still second.
Weekly.
Still second.
All time.
Second.
Here, try hard.
Hey, we should go for Final Kill Cam at 360.
Final kill cam 360.
I'll do it.
2 chains.
Can you ping me 2 chain? What's this? Can you
Is
think
it going on YouTube?
Yeah. Can you
Back
think?
off for Kevin. Back off for Kevin.
No. Can you think me
I
2
like
chains?
it.
Can you think me 2 chains?
Who likes 2 chains these days?
No, okay, Moises,
Can you think me 2 chains, please?
just sing 2 chains and
Okay.
I'll give you $1.
I am smoking on like this. Like I am on...
Like I'm on Telemundo.
I'm gonna snap shit out of this. I'm gonna be like...
If we win, it's kind of sad. We're sniping.
Hardpoint identified.
Let me lower my sensitivity because I'm not a cracky.
What did they call it, baby?
Hardpoint is ours.
Ah, there goes my streak. I could have got a bloodthirsty. Oh no, wait, I did get a bloodthirsty. Haha.
What the hell?
You know, what do they call it, a junkie?
But it's alright.
Something with my
It's
dick.
alright. Oh, he passed by me.
Ah! I'm not feeling in my giblets, man.
Oh my god, I just realized I'm playing on 14.
Exactly.
Fuck it, I'll leave it like that.
Hit marker. Call the police. No! I think I gotta keep it.
Okay, I guess you guys got
Yeah,
it.
12. Dang, that guy raped basically. Like, honestly.
Yeah, I gotta tone it down a bit.
That's 1.
My hard point.
Alright, we gotta go in there.
What am I going? 4 and
I'll
5?
tell you what we're gonna do.
No.
We're gonna win this for Mother Russia.
Oh, what a bitch.
Oh, I got a hit marker. Nah, that is racism at its finest. Oh, bum.
Trick shot. That was my kill, but okay.
Oh, it totally pushed. What the?
You got him.
A little bit earlier.
Oh,
Oh,
immigration.
it's racist. If I'm in last place, then I'm trash kid. Wow. Okay.
I'm
Yeah.
going 5 and 6. Wow.
Okay. Oh, never mind. I'm not even last place.
Wow. People
Oh,
nowadays.
that's full.
Wow, look at this bag. Dang. Took you like 4 shots to kill me. Like, he missed all the 3.
Oh God, that guy scared the piss
Yeah.
out of me.
Oh, that was my kill.
Should I lose thermal?
Be advised, hostile lightning.
I'm out.
Okay.
Oh,
God.
my God.
I think that was his because he killed himself.
Troll-a-lol-lol-lol.
Oh, that was my kill.
Oh my God. Like I do good with it, but I've done better.
Oh, collateral. Nice, Marcus.
Hardpoint identified.
No, Miguel got the other one. Iron Man, it was.
Ah!
Sorry if you can't see the kill feed.
I'm gonna go ahead
Wow,
and use.
can't much.
I'm gonna use my ballista because these guys are doing too
The
much.
quick scope's faster. Trick shot.
I'm not going for quick scopes though. I'm just going for kills. Period. See, look at that.
Whoa, lag. Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
Damn, you almost survived that.
UAV inbound.
Almost keyword. Ah!
I'm gonna try to use the ballista.
Guys,
I never used the ballista that much.
hampered. Oh, Lordy Jesus.
Hardpoint identified.
Come
Oh,
on.
well. People
I
know.
was over here jumping stuff and didn't get a single kill.
Oh, wow.
That was a fail. Around the corner. Wait for a clear shot.
Yeah, son.
I was good still jumping.
Hardpoint.
No, Mr.
That was my kill, wow.
What
Got
the
him.
hell? That was my kill.
Got him. That was badass for like 3 seconds. What if I do a shot like this, Michael?
Oh my God. Wait up, I'm getting mad.
Got him.
I'm gonna lose the thermal. Ugh. You're
Be
ridiculous.
advised, hostile counter UAV is online.
Like, I've done way better.
Buddy, can you see we're trying to snipe here?
Yeah, right. You need some help, Jonathan?
Whoop his ass!
I'll tell you what we're gonna do.
Oh, he said hell of shots on him.
No, dude. Dude, don't they know ammo's expensive?
Oh, wow. Kevin, why do you lag out? We're just starting the video.
UAV on
Yeah.
standby.
We're like
Okay,
doing.
I don't want to be in the video.
Oh, wow. But you're missing out.
Oh, bum! Spittle McCriddle.
We're doing somewhat good. Well, folks, that was a glimpse of
That was Fibs at his normal day.
and this
Friendly
is normal
lightning
stuff.
strike.
God damn it, lightning strike, move.
Oh, what the heck?
Hardpoint identified.
Yeah.
Hostiles have captured the hardpoint.
Ah! That guy scared me. Why is this there?
Oh, he got me.
Oh, they're gonna win. Watch out, watch out.
Check.
You're gonna get
Go.
out.
Wow, I missed those shots.
Dude, let's see what he has. Oh, that guy didn't even have time.
Down and dirty. Whoa!
I have to get used to this because we didn't play for like a good hour. God damn it. I didn't expect to get killed.
Hardpoint is ours.
But whatever.
Friendly
I'm
UAV.
going back to DSL.
My kill.
See how I can do.
My kill.
Oh, lag.
Laggy kill.
Hit marker.
I hate snipers that do that. They pull out a pistol because they know they can't get him.
I got a hit.
Hardpoint contested.
Pull up a shot there.
Oh my god, he ran all the way around just to kill me.
Get on my level, kid. Oh my god, this guy's good. This guy's gonna wreck me.
Oh god.
Ah, pistol, really?
I'm not doing that bad.
I'm not last place, that's all I care.
He went to the left. We just, oh, never mind. We'll come through.
Cap him.
You little LMG using bastard.
Hardpoint identified.
Oh, right when I pulled the
Should have put
trigger.
FMJ on there.
Hardpoint is ours.
Still got him.
Oh, go ahead and headbutt more, please. Wow, dude, I need the spawns on this game. Treyarch ever watching this? Fix the spawns, not the glitches.
Ooh.
Let's just kind of make it fun.
I
got a hit marker.
Oh, no scope.
Hardpoint is ours.
Gotta follow please. Oh shit. Ah, I got it. No. Oh my god, everyone just saw that.
I was getting close to going neutral.
I'm nowhere close to it. I was neutral. Yeah. Pretty close.
Hardpoint is ours.
Damn, I hate it when people like Mr. Sniper take out the pistol.
I see, that's what I just said.
I hate when people kill me, period.
Hostiles have the hardpoint.
Not for long. Oh shit.
The above.
Oh, I'm done. I am done. Oh, no, wrong thing. Oh, well, okay, well, I guess I'll go next.
Oh my god.
Box it, baby. Fuck, lucky.
Oh, headshot.
Time's almost up.
Surprisingly, we won.
Hardpoint locked down.
Oh, really? Just being up on
Fucking
it.
LMG, try.
Easy.
Scope.
If one of us
I
three,
can. There's people running around with
whichever
live
one of
fires
us
and
three gets
whatnot.
the final kill, we're amazing. Wow, that's great. None of us got it, I know for a fact.
I didn't do that bad, especially for my first time.
I did terrible.
My first time, what's it called?
Oh, I got it! Suck on this dumb
For the first time sniping on a hardpoint match.
Then I died right here, look at this. I was
Yeah.
like, what the hell?
Well, that's pretty fast.
Not
Somehow.
really, because we lagged out and it was like,
Oh, yeah.
we got a triple kill though.
Alright, that's just it for the hardpoint game. Now we're going on in Demolition.
Demolition, let's go.